Hello viewers, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Also, click on the bell icon so that you get the latest information about the videos that are uploaded. Hello students, welcome back to the new video. In this video, we are going to continue the ongoing chapter number 3, Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. In today's session, we will discuss some of the useful properties of plastics. Now, let us see what are the useful properties of plastics. Plastics have many useful properties which make them materials of choice for all sorts of uses. So, nowadays, plastics are the materials of choice for all different kinds of uses. And what is the reason? Because it has got many useful and special properties. See this, because of these special properties, plastics have many advantages over the natural materials like metals, wood, etc. for making various articles. Nowadays we can see the articles made of plastics in every field of our life. What is the reason? Because these plastics have special properties, and because of these special properties there are so many advantages of plastics over the natural materials like metals, wood, etc. Because of that, we use plastics for making various articles. Now, let us see the properties of plastics one by one. Number 1. Plastic is chemically unreactive. We know that metals like iron get rusted when left exposed to air and water. This is because metals are chemically reactive. You must have heard and seen that iron things are getting rusted, especially in the rainy season or when it is exposed to air and water. What is the reason? Because metals, especially iron, is very chemically reactive metal. But plastics are chemically unreactive. What does it mean? It means that plastics do not react with the air and water. Because of this property, the plastics are resistant to corrosion. So, which property of plastics make it resistant to corrosion? The plastics are chemically unreactive and they do not react with the water and air. Because of this property, plastics are resistant to corrosion. Further, plastics are not affected by weather, and plastics are also often unaffected by various chemicals. What does it mean? Plastics do not have any effect on the various weather conditions existing in the atmosphere, and also it is unaffected by various chemicals. Since plastics are unreactive and resist corrosion, the plastic containers are used to store various kinds of materials including many chemicals. So, plastic is used for storing the various materials and that include even chemicals. What is the reason? Because plastics are unreactive and also resist corrosion. Now, let us see the property number 2. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Plastics do not conduct heat or electricity, so they can be used as insulators. Plastics, being poor conductors of heat, are used where heat is to be kept away from reaching our hands. So, this property that plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity is finding many applications. For example, plastic is used in the electrical appliances, in the electrical wires as insulators. What is the reason? If there is a plastic coating, we won't get the shock because plastics are insulators. In the same way, plastic is used in the areas where heat is to be kept away from reaching our hands. For example, the handles of cooking utensils. You must have seen the cooking utensils have metal bodies and the handles are made up of plastic, certain kind of plastic. What is the reason? Because plastic is not conducting the heat, they are insulators of heat. For example, the handles of cooking utensils are made of plastic so that we can hold the hot cooking utensils safely. Since plastics are poor conductors of electricity, they are used as electrical insulators. For example, electric wires have plastic covering as insulation so as to protect us from electric current passing through them. So children, these are the few examples of plastics where the property that the plastics are insulators of heat and electricity is being used. Further, the handles of screwdrivers and testers used by electricians are also made of plastic because it is an electrical insulator. Electric switches, plugs and sockets also have plastic covers. See children, have you ever noticed the handles of screwdrivers or testers that is specially used by electricians? They are having a plastic handle. What is the reason? When the testers are used by the electricians to check the presence of electricity in the plug sockets, they are holding it by the handle. So, to avoid the electrical shock, these testers have the plastic handles. Similarly, electric switches, plugs and sockets also have the plastic covers because plastic is an electrical insulator. Property number 3. Plastic can be molded into different shapes. Since plastic can be easily molded, they are used to make a large variety of articles having different shapes and sizes such as buckets, mugs, furniture, bags, sheets, slippers, electrical fittings, toys, combs, toothbrush, etc. The list is endless. As you know, the plastics can be easily molded and give the different shapes. Because of this property, the plastic is used for making the various articles in our life. Some of the examples are buckets, furniture, bags, slippers, electrical fittings, toys, etc. Property number 4. Plastics are quite cheap and easily made. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Plastics can also be made much more easily than metals. Due to these properties, plastics are now widely used for making many of the household and industrial articles which were earlier made from metals. So, nowadays, most of the household and industrial articles are made from plastics. What is the reason? The plastic is much cheaper than metals. Metals are costly because they are not easy to make. The extraction of metal is a very difficult process, and because of that the metals are much costly. Plastic can be easily made. Because of these properties, nowadays most of the things which were earlier made by metals are replaced by plastics. For example, the buckets used in our homes were earlier made from iron metal sheet, but these days most of the buckets are made of plastics. This is only few examples. And in the industry also, many articles which were earlier made of metals are nowadays replaced by plastic. Property number 5. Plastic is light, strong and durable. Plastics have low density, so they are lighter than metals. Plastics also have good strength and they are durable. So the next property of plastic, that it is light, strong and durable, is also very useful in our day-to-day life. See, because of the low density, the plastics are lighter than metals. If you take one plastic item and in the same way the item made by the metals, which one will be heavier? The one which is made up of metals. So the heavy things are not easy to handle. Then plastics also have good strength and they are durable. Because of this property, that it is having light, strong and durable, plastic find many uses in our day-to-day life. It is because of the lower price, easy availability, lightweight, good strength, durability and corrosion resistance of plastic that the plastic containers are preferred for storing food, water, milk, jams, pickles, squashes, soft drink, etc. So which property of the plastic make it a most sought after material? Its lower price, easy availability. Then it is light. It has got good strength and durability, and also it is corrosion resistant. So these all properties of plastic make it a much sought after material for making the containers that can store food, water, milk, pickles, squashes, soft drinks, etc. And also plastic is lighter than metals. Because of this property that it is light, the plastics are used in cars, aircrafts and spacecrafts also. So students, I hope you have understood the topics very well. But still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will surely try to solve it as early as possible. Here are some review questions. Please solve it in your notebook. Thank you.